Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma tokens versus variables. We'll define what each is, exploring their core functionalities and how they differ. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for efficient design system management. I'll guide you through when to leverage tokens for broad consistency and when variables are the better choice for native Figma power, helping you optimize your workflow. Figma tokens act as a single source of truth, representing any design property from colors to spacing. They are often managed externally, allowing for seamless integration across various platforms and tools. This approach provides immense flexibility for complex theming and ensures consistent application of design decisions, making them ideal for large-scale design systems with hundreds of properties. Figma variables, on the other hand, are native to Figma, directly controlling design properties like numerical values for spacing or corner radii. They unlock powerful prototyping capabilities, enabling conditional logic and interactive components. Variables are excellent for creating different modes, such as light and dark themes, or managing dozens of language variations directly within your Figma files. So, which is better? Tokens shine in extensive design systems needing external control and multi-platform support. Variables are unmatched for in Figma prototyping, local theming, and precise numerical adjustments. Often, the most robust solution involves a hybrid approach, leveraging tokens for global consistency and variables for native Figma interactions. Consider your project's scale and team's workflow to make the best choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.